just wanted to tell you why I started this online store. I live somewhere where there are no stores. There's just a couple stores where you get eggs and stuff. And I can't buy things that I want in regular stores anyway, so it was easier actually to open the store, pay the $50 a month, and then get free shipping on anything I spend over $100. So you can see where this goes. I'm actually saving money by spending money because I'm going to spend money anyway, and at least this way it is intentional. So I can guarantee you one thing: all the products that you buy are coming from a number of factories in China and a few other factories, of course, and you're being charged a whole heck of a lot more than the product cost, but get it here cheaper.